We'll guide you through how to use the blur tool in Krita to enhance your digital art projects. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Krita on your desktop and load the image or project you want to work on. Once your project is open, look for the toolbox usually located on the left side of the screen. Scroll through the tools until you find the blur tool, which is represented by a droplet icon. Click on the blur tool to select it. You can adjust the size of the brush by going to the top toolbar where it shows the brush size. You can enter a specific number or use the slider to adjust it to your liking. Next, move to the toolbar on the right side of the screen to find the brush presets. Here, you can select different types of blurs, like Gaussian or fast blur, depending on the effect you want to achieve. Once you've selected your blur type, head back to your canvas and click and drag over the areas you want to blur. You can go over the same area multiple times to increase the blur effect. If you make a mistake, don't worry. You can always use the undo function by pressing Ctrl+Z. For more precise control, consider zooming in on the area you want to blur. This helps in applying the effect more effectively without impacting surrounding areas. Remember that you can also adjust the opacity of the blur tool by using the opacity slider located at the top of the screen. This will let you control how strong the blur effect is applied. Experiment with different settings until you get the desired result. Once you're satisfied with your edits, make sure to save your work by clicking on File and then Save As, so you don't lose any changes. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.